اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم انا جعلنا فی اعناقہم اغلالا فہی الی الاذقان فہم مقمحون. We have put round their necks collars reaching unto their chins, so that their heads are raised up.
So this question is of two parts. Since Muslims do not believe in Trinity, why in this word we is used inna? The second part is the unguided disbeliever deserves sympathy.
Is that the only verse he has discovered referring to God in plural? You see, the word inna, when applied to oneself, has a different story to tell altogether. When applied in third person, it speaks of a completely different thing. Nowhere in the Holy Quran has God been referred in plural in third person. Not in one place. Find out. God as they have done it. They have created you. It's always singular. But when one speaks to himself or speaks of himself and refers to himself as plural, it is not indicative of plurality. It is indicative of greatness, of dignity, of majesty, and glamour and power. That is why the great kings and emperors, when referring to themselves, they say, we have issued this verdict, this proclamation. And, members of the state, we require you to do this. Here the word we is only expressive of greatness and dignity and grandeur and also might. Because when the king or queen refer to themselves as we, it means we don't take us as one alone. We represent the might of the whole kingdom. Whatever we say, everybody will follow that. So in such rare occasions are a display of, immaculate grace of God and His ultimate might and majesty. God uses these terms about Himself. Right?
I missed the first bit.
The first bit?
Yeah.
In the last sentence or in the beginning?
In the beginning.
In the beginning. In the beginning, what I said was that in every language, this is an accepted style, that if a person is referred to in third person, in plural, then there is always a possibility of his being a plural rather than a singular. But if a person refers to himself in plural, and also refers himself to say in singular as well, and he is nowhere referred to in plural in third person. For instance, in the Holy Quran, God refers to Himself in plural as inna, but also ana. It's not always that He refers to Himself in plural. But nowhere in the Quran you will find a reference to God as they. In third person, He is always referred to in singular. For instance, as the example I gave, Her Majesty the Queen may make a pronouncement. We desire you to do this. Great kings have done it before and would always do it again in future. But they are not referred to in plural by the people. Her Majesty the Queen, His Majesty the Queen, the King, not their Majesty the Queen. So they should understand this figure of speech and the style of speech, which is common both to humans, and it's a human language in which God is speaking. So I'm amazed why they don't understand their own language. You understand the point?
Answer.
God never refers to himself in plural when he refers to himself in third person. Show me one verse in the Quran where they say God, they did it, that is God did it. It's always he. But we is found, but also ana, singular is found to indicate that it is not the plurality to which we is referring. It is to the greatness, majesty and dignity of God to which the word we is referring. Right?
يقول حضرة أمير المؤمنين أن هذا